I think the world just changed. We're living through a massive turning point. Think about it. Everything we own usually comes from a factory. But what if you could just print your own furniture? It might sound strange, but it's happening right now. Just imagine what it takes to get a product to your home. It starts with an idea and then design, prototyping, producing, marketing, and shipping. What if that could be reduced down to a single push of a button? I think we can enjoy all of that ourselves. Because a 3D printer is more than just a 3D printer. It's like a playground for adults. We get to have fun solving our own problems. This is the historical shift I've been dreaming of, a new way to make products accessible to everyone. And it's even easier nowadays because of this. This is the latest mega-size printer from Bambu Lab, and I will use it to solve my problem. Problem solving is fun and creative, and what used to lead me to do a search for products to buy now doesn't. Now I think, how can I solve this myself? I recently rebuilt my entire office, and even though it works perfectly, I never thought about a place to hang my jacket. And I want my desk to be as clutter-free as possible, so all the knickknacks in my pocket also needs a place to go. I started sketching on ideas and immediately came up with something that I think could benefit everyone: a modular coat hanger. This is the evolution of the A-series printers from Bambu Lab. This is the Bambu Lab A2L. The build volume is bigger, but this isn't just a 3D printer, it is modular. It can transform into a blade cutter and cut leather, vinyl and fabric. And it can be used with the pen module to draw whatever you want. It's also really silent. As the printer was printing the first part, I started designing modules for my coat hanger. Storage solutions. The idea with this design is that you can buy whatever size dowel you can find and print the parts you want. Because the design is parametric, meaning whatever size dowel you get, you can change the design on MakerWorld to match your dowel. I was having fun being creative, and that's what I live for. It doesn't need to be perfect, it's just pure fun. I made a version that looks like a cactus. Then my daughter asked for her own hanger.
Can I have one?
Yeah, sure. What do you want?
I want a deer.
With a little design help, I could then show her how she could print that very model directly from MakerWorld on her phone. And one of the really cool features of the A2L is the new adaptive vibration compensation, which is really helpful when printing heavy and large objects on a bed slinger. That means the quality of the bigger prints is amazing. I used the cutter to fill the catch-all trays with vinyl and leather. I made a jig for my saw to cut the dowels to length, and I made different modules to choose from when assembling my coat hanger. I even 3D printed feet for it. I was just having fun inventing a new thing and making it for myself. And because of that, I think the revolution is here. We don't need someone else to tell us what we want. Just find whatever you want to make and create it yourself. And the A2L is so easy to use for everyone. It's a find what you want, click and create machine. This model is available on MakerWorld, where you can print it yourself or modify it in your own style and colors. And the best part is that you don't need any drawing skills to make it. There are so many things to print on MakerWorld already. It's as easy as clicking print and you can manufacture your own furniture at home. Reducing the carbon footprint and being in charge of what your home should look like. The world just changed for all of us. Okay, now.
Oh, wow.